everyone! 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今日のレッスンでは、the particle での使い方を一緒に勉強していきましょう。では、いろいろな使い方があります。で、今回は2つご紹介します。There are several ways to four type of functions the particle で I'll introduce two of them in this lesson video. Let's get started. Particle で pronunciation is で he and dot. That's has several different functions. The first one is location of the action. When action is happening in that location, you will use de. Then second one is mean of the action. So this means by or using something. We use it. And third one is time and duration. And the fourth one is reasons and causes. But the last 3 and 4 is more intermediate levels. So in this lesson, you will learn 1 and 2 way of the particle there. So the first one and the most common one is the where action occurs. So that means previous lesson video you learned ni or he. It's used to indicate the destination used with movement verbs. This de is used, you are staying in that area, but action is happening. So for example, the verb 買う, the verb is cow means, you know, cow means? Cow means to buy. So when you, at the time of buying, you are in the shopping mall or in the market at that place, or maybe in Tokyo or something. So you use the de. 会う means to meet. So when you meet at a certain location, you will use 会う. At the time when you are meeting, you are there. Then 食べる is also while you are eating, you are staying in the place, not moving around normally. So we use 食べる. 食べる means to eat. It's used as a place there. So action is happening in that place. 京都でお守りを買います。Do you know what this means? 京都 is a name of the place in Japan, Kyoto. De is the particle we are learning right now. お守り. お守り means, お守り is a lucky charm. I put a picture here. This is my お守り. お守り, 守る is a verb. That means to protect. So if you have it, like a, you know, it's protecting, like a lucky charm. In Japan, if you go to shrine or maybe a temple shrine, you can buy a very different kind of omamori, like for example, get a nice partner or succeed in business or passing exams. So different type of omamori. So if you get the chance to visit in Japan, maybe you can have a look. Then, so that means I will buy omamori in Kyoto. So action is happening in Kyoto. That's why we use it omamori de here. Okay? Repeat after me. 京都でお守りを買います。One more time. 京都でお守りを買います。はい。The next, so as I mentioned, the particle there has multiple functions. So one is action is happening in the place. The another way of using is a mode of transportation there or using something. Like okay, I'll show you another example. So if you have a pen, write with pen, you can also use a pen で書きます. So pen is a tool using something. Or you can also use learn through the YouTube で 勉強します。So using something. YouTube で勉強します。Or you can also say 動画で勉強します。動画 means movies or clip videos. Okay, so let's look at some example sentences. タクシーでホテルに行きます。タクシーでホテルに行きます。So taxi is written in katakana. It's from from English. So taxi. De is by taxi. Hotel means hotel. に行きます。is go to hotel. Repeat after me. タクシーでホテルに行きます。はい。One more time. タクシーでホテルに行きます。はい。Good. Next sentence. 車で来ましたか？ So this has an end of the sentence か。So 車で来ましたか means a question か。車 means car. So by car is so 来ます is 来ます is a verb to come. 来ましたか is did you come past tense. So that means also like the same meaning as did you drive here. But the direct translation will be did you come by a car? じゃあ練習 repeat after me. 車で来ましたか？ One more time. 車で来ましたか？はい。はい。じゃあ練習問題。練習問題 means practice questions. I will eat at the restaurant. Please try translating to Japanese. スタート。Okay, so let's check the answer. 答えです。レストランで食べます。さあ、レストランで食べます。By the way, restaurant pronunciation is レストラン in Japanese. In Japanese, レストラン. That's the Japanese way of pronunciation. レストラン。レストラン。Repeat after me. レストランで食べます。One more time. レストランで食べます。I will go to the mall by bus. How do you say this? スタート。Okay, so the answer is バスでショッピングモールに行きます。So here by bus, bus is the same pronunciation as English bus. まあ、バスかな、バス。バスでショッピングモールに行きます。ショッピングモール is カタカナ。Repeat after me. バスでショッピングモールに行きます。バスでショッピングモールに行きます。Okay. The last exercise. 最後の練習問題。I'll study at home. スタート。The answer is 家で勉強する。Or, how do you say polite form of する? You know, this one you can also say 勉強します polite way. So while you're studying, you are in action is happening in the house. So we use that で家で勉強します。 は家で勉強する。Repeat after me. 家で勉強する。はい。OK。じゃあ、一緒に発音の練習をしてみましょう。This time, let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. 京都でお守りを買います。タクシーでホテルに行きます。車で来ましたか？ So this is a question. So when you pronounce question, please the intonation go up. Like 車で来ましたか？レストランで食べます。バスでショッピングモールに行きます。家で勉強する。Okay, so that's for this lesson. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. またね。